The idea to get involved with London Festival of Architecture came about from our personal and professional shared kind of experiences as a design studio here based in Brixton.
I think what we really like is what you've done is to take that one stage further and really engage your local community.
It allowed us to really put ourselves into the mindset of an architect, but in a more creative aspect.
It's a very open-ended subject, and I think even having a conversation about boundaries as broken boundaries was really, really good.
After coming to the workshop, the process by which you've actually delivered an installation, I think is really impressive.
It's been, I think, the most fantastic thing that's happened in a long time.
I really love the way that you've sort of included numerous voices in the discussion, and you found a beautiful way of representing those voices in these installations.
I think it was great to see everyone who had come to the workshop to come and experience the installation and interact with it.
I've been really pleased with how people have responded to it. I think it's unexpected. I don't think the light installation was something that people thought would come out of the workshop. It's interesting that people don't necessarily recognise their own input, so they can't recognise their voice even though it might be in that room.
Engaging people and their views on architecture, that architecture shouldn't be elitist and top down, but should be about users, listening to users and finding out what they want from architecture. And that's what you captured so brilliantly in the installation.